In this video, we will use a LiveWire tool to segment contours semi-automatically. These contours shall be interpolated over slices. Add the modules as seen in the video and connect them. Load the file thorax1_ct.small.tiff. We are using ASO CSO LiveWire editor for generating contours. It renders and semi-interactively generates CSOs based on the LiveWire algorithm. Create closed contours for the left lung on some arbitrary slices. Make sure to create contours on the first and last slice too, so that start and end of your segmentation is defined. Open CSO Manager and create a new group called Left Lung. Select all CSOs in your new group and click Combine. If you now select the group, all CSOs belonging to it are marked by a star. Add ASO Slice Interpolator module to the CSO Manager and the Local Image module. Change group handling to use generator settings, group label to Left Lung and mode to Off. Press Update. Your CSO group Left Lung now contains many more contours in CSO Manager. They have been added by using a linear interpolation. The contours are visible in the viewer and in the output inspector of the CSO Manager. White contours have been created manually, yellow contours have been generated by the CSO Slice Interpolator. Segment the right lung. Create another group named Right Lung and combine it with the new contours created. We now want to change the visualization of the groups to distinguish left and right lung. Select the group Left Lung and change color to green, the right lung color to orange. We also change the width of the path points. You can define different groups for multiple segmentations and define color and shape for each group. If you want to change settings for all contours, you can define the style by using the CSO visualization settings. For further information, please have a look at www.MeVisLab.de.